If you've heard the news about how Morning Brew sold their email newsletter for $75 million, you might be considering, how can I build an email newsletter and get paid like this? And you might, like me, even think that email newsletters are kind of dying out because they've been around for a long time. But the truth is, newsletters are still very powerful and valuable, as this sale proves. And the reason why is that newsletters provide data, data on users in a very targeted niche. And so the best way for you to start building a newsletter is for you to start collecting emails from your subscribers. And you can easily do this by building an email opt-in page where you offer people a place to sign up for free to subscribe to your email newsletter. There's also lots of ways you can create the newsletter using AI these days. So it can be a very low maintenance, very valuable asset that you're building for your users, which gives you a new touch point with your subscribers and members, and also an asset that ultimately you can sell. It's very hard to sell your YouTube channel or your Instagram. It's built on you, your personal brand. But a newsletter is a tangible asset that you can sell. So it should be on your to-do list and business plans for this year to start building an email newsletter. And again, it starts with simply collecting emails and grows from there.